What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free Bitcoin just using some few Telegram bots, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you some payment proof. And please help me out to reach 1000 subscribers. Subscribe guys, hit the bell notification, and let's count to 3 seconds. Thank you very much, and without further ado, let's start. So the first bot we're going to be Litecoin bot. Okay, this is the first bot that we're gonna use, this one. So on this bot, I can show you already that I have some payment proof here, like send. But okay, let's say how you can manage this bot. Okay, it's very easy. Let me cancel this. Let me say if I want to manage this bot, go to menus, and then menus, you just visit the sites. It's all that simple, right? Go to website, open. You need to wait 10 seconds. It's like very easy, simple things to do. I'm going to show you other bots as well. Let me just show you this first. And in this bot, as you see, we got the message. You stay in the site 10 seconds. We're going to wait 10 seconds. And after this 10 seconds, you will see that we're going to get a few Litecoin. It's that simple, just simple, very simple. So, okay, as you see, we got the message again. Means that we are done already. Let's go back, and all right, you see you earned 0.000594 Litecoin. So how you can withdraw? Let's try it out. Let's see if we can withdraw. Let's go to balance, and then after balance you can click here, withdraw. Let's withdraw, and then let's say okay, I want to withdraw, and then they say enter your Litecoin address. I'm going to copy my Litecoin address, and then I'm going to enter here. Let's go to my actually this is a CoinMe. This is the name. I'm going to leave a link on the description if you want to try it out. And then I'm going to paste my Litecoin address, paste, and then send, and then enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Actually this one you need like 0.04 to withdraw, and let's say I'm gonna withdraw 0.00007, right, 900 Litecoin to this address. Yeah, we're gonna confirm, and then you withdraw as being requested. Let me show to history. Go to history, and as you may see, 1139. Let's say okay, so here are the things. We have one transaction pending. That this transaction actually was made today at the time that I'm filming this video, and it's still pending. We can go to, if you go to our balance, you will see that our balance is like way below the one that we had at the beginning of this video. You may see here, right? We that was our previous balance. Now we have like way less than that. But if you go again into history, we're gonna see that we have not a pending balance. So you need to wait at least 10 minutes to 20 minutes, and then you will see that your transaction will be done, sent. But I'm gonna wait so that I can show you to you how it's all done. Okay guys, so this is, let's say I have already this transaction and this transaction here. So this one is pending, and let's go to another bot. I'm going to show you on this video just 2 bots, so maybe 3, because the video may get very long, so I don't want to get like create long videos. And let me go to another bot. Another bot we're going to call it is Dogecoin, right? Actually I don't need really to write. Okay, Dogecoin is here, this one, Dogecoin. So let me cancel this. Okay, first go to balance. Let me see my balance. It's all the same in this bot. Visit websites, and then you're gonna earn free Dogecoin. Okay, so this is our balance. We have 5, and let's go to withdraw, and they ask you to enter your Dogecoin address. This is our address. Copy this. So it's, by the way, you can use Coinbase, you can use any other address management tools. Okay, it really doesn't matter. And I still also have Coinbase. So let's send our address. This is our address. Enter the amount, minimum 4, and let's say we're gonna be 5 Dogecoin. Okay, 5. Enter, send. and then you will be charged a fee of okay, confirm. Let's say confirm that, it's not a problem. Your withdrawal has been requested. So here's the thing is, actually it may take a few minutes. So you go to history and then you see pending, right? Pending 5 Dogecoin. You're gonna wait that too, and then let me show you one last one, and then I'm gonna wait all the pending requests, and then I'm gonna show you how it's all going. So the other one I'm gonna be, let's say BTC trending, right? BTC trend. Let me show you this one, BTC trend. This is the one I'm gonna be today as the last one. So it's all the same. Let me go back to my account first. Account. All right. So there you go. This is my balance, right? 0.000577720. And then we go to withdraw. It's all the same. This one is a little bit different. This one you need to play around, like predict if Bitcoin gonna go up or down. It's all about that. And then you say, or if you don't want to withdraw to this wallet, you first of all need to go to your, let's go back, okay, account. Let's go back to our account. I want to change this wallet here. Let me say refer update wallet. I'm gonna update my wallet first. Okay, current wallet, please send me your wallet. Let's just use this current wallet, and then there you go. All right, we have different wallets. Now let's go back to withdraw, and then you wait, confirm, and then you confirm that. There you go, withdraw successfully. So as you see, right, this one, let's go to history and let's see if we, all right, so this one, withdraw processed. Let's go back and see if we really have this amount of Bitcoin on our wallet. Let's go back and then let's see how it is right now, and everything is going. As you see, we had like 0.20 previously, and now we have 0.23 right now, Litecoin, right? As you see, Litecoin, let me show you right now. You see transaction 2 minutes ago, 0.000789115. 2 minutes ago. This was one of the transactions that we did a few minutes ago. So this is working actually. Litecoin is working, and the other ones too. So the other one, the thing is like the other one's like taking too long, but I'm gonna wait, and I can show you maybe another ones that the transaction is already processed, and you also see how is this working. So guys, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. If you want me to show you more Bitcoins and with payment proof, just comment below. I'm gonna show you, because I have another accounts, another bots that I'm using, and I can show you proof so that you can see, okay, is this something that I want to try it out or not. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you on the next video. Please help me out to reach 1,000 subscribers. Come on guys, come on, subscribe. Bye.